Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a fan oven motor on this Rangemaster cooker. If the fan is not turning or it's noisy when cooking, it is likely that the fan oven motor needs to be replaced. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. I'm going to start by removing any shells from inside the oven. The fan oven motor is located behind this back panel, so I just need to remove that by undoing the 4 screws that hold it in place. With the back panel out of the way, here we can see the fan of the fan motor. So I'm just going to use a nut spinner to undo this nut and take the fan off. You could use a pair of pliers if you don't have one of these. With the fan out of the way, the motor is held in place on the back panel by these 3 little nuts here. Again, I'm using a nut spinner, but you could use a pair of pliers to release these. With those nuts removed, I now need to go to the back of the appliance to remove the electrical connections and fit our new fan motor. The fan motor is located behind this panel, so I'm just going to remove this by undoing the 5 screws that hold it in place. And here we can see the back of the fan oven motor. What I'm going to do is just take a photo of the electrical connections. So when I've put the new fan oven motor in, I know which connections go where. So just take the old motor out, and then you can put your new one in. Now the fan motor is in position. I'm just going to use my photograph to reconnect the electrical connections correctly before replacing the back panel. Now the back panel's refitted, I can now attach our new fan from inside the oven. So I'm going to fit these 3 small nuts to hold the fan motor in place before fitting the new fan. I can now refit the back panel. I then just need to line up the holes and screw it into place. So there we have it, 1 new fan motor fitted to this Rangemaster cooker. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.